Nano Kabalen, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Pampanga. So guys, this vlog we would like to introduce Flywheelcars new service. This is the diamond coating on mobile. So as you can see sa likod ko po, meron silang capsule and I think this is the first time or this is the first ever service dito sa Pampanga that they're using this kind of service or technology. So although there are, home service for auto detailing or coating, but I think this is the first one to use this. So tara, samahan niyo po ako.
You can call me Joanne Canlas. Flywheelcars, 10 years na mula nung nabukas siya. Meron tayong dalawang branch, Angeles, Pandan Road, malapit sa Marquee Mall. And dito sa main branch natin is San Fernando, San Agustin, in front of St. Scholastica's Academy. Ang Flywheelcars is auto sales talaga siya. Meron kaming showroom, bebenta ng mga sasakyan. Ngayon, meron din siyang car wash and detailing. Ngayon, meron tayong bagong product. Ito yung diamond coating. It is a nano ceramic technology from Japan. So ngayon, we are introducing our new product which is Flywheelcars Diamond Coating 6 Layers on mobile. Kaya sinabi natin siyang on mobile, sa kapanahon ngayong pandemic, hindi na kayo lalabas ng bahay, kami ang pupunta sa inyo and we are bringing our capsule. Ang capsule natin, ang facility niya, same as yung sa facility natin sa shop, 100% dust-free room, controlled temperature, and perfect lighting. Kaya don't worry, ang ating quality same as ginawa natin sa shop. And ang kagandahan nito, one whole day ang process niya.